Today we're going to make like a brief introduction about service of LG equipments. We are going to give some main bullet points of installation standard for LG equipments and also a brief introduction into the VRF units operation and a little bit of troubleshooting for these equipments so that every of the attendees can have like a general knowledge of the equipment. And it's like a sneak peek of like a complete training that normally we provide in Panama for technicians that are looking to certificate in the LG brand. It's very relevant for technicians to know the equipment. Normally, when they install equipment and are not familiar, they apply the traditional installation methods that sometimes are not compatible with the newer generation of equipment. So it's very good for them to have a general knowledge of the VRF installation standards so they can install the equipment as better as possible. It's very important as normally technicians might encounter some problems with all equipment, and they also need to be very knowledge of the unit so they can solve quickly for the customer. Last year we did a similar training with this. People got a lot of information. A lot of the technicians, even they learn a lot here. They also went back to Panama. I think 2 trainees went to Panama and did a complete certification. So it was very helpful for them, and also they were very quick solving the problems and installations of the projects of LG that we have here in Guyana. Mainly, it will help them to try to solve problems faster. That is always an issue for the customer, that when they lost air conditioning, it's always they want the air conditioning back as soon as possible. So that will help them a lot, and also make them produce better installations for the AC equipment. So equipment can last a lot longer and provide more results for the customer.
We have LG technicians, lead technicians here, training the Guyanese installers and technicians of how to use the product, how to diagnose the product, how to the efficiency works. So we are educating the Guyanese population about the product, mainly the LG air conditioning, and our target is the commercial air conditioning. We have seen the development in Guyana, so many big buildings, apartment buildings, hotels, offices. So we are targeting the commercial sector. It's very important because the technology in LG is way above what we know locally. So we need to bridge that gap. So the technicians will be au fait of the new technology and the energy efficiency and the installation techniques and everything that go with it.